Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next. Now today, we're checking out the brand new casting for 2019, Mod Rod. It's in the Factory Fresh series, and it's car 8 of 10. And you can also see there, it's part of the Gumball 3000s series of cars Hot Wheels is releasing. Now, I'm not really a big fan on fantasy castings, but this one really stood out, and being in the Factory Fresh series, I had to open it up and show you guys. So you can see it's got that big number 51 in gold on the side there. Also the Gumball 3000 logo. It's got that really cool chrome engine at the front, really large exhaust out the side. We got that chrome interior, nicely tinted grey windows. It's got some really cool features on this car and it looks really cool. Alright, let's get Mod Rod on the track. Now it is a track star and it's really cool. It's got two different types of tyres. You can see the DD8s at the front and the D-discs at the rear. And look at it go on the track. It is awesome. It does not slow down at all. It holds that track really well. I actually have to stop it from going around because it just didn't want to stop. Look at it go. Really excited. This one worked so well. So there you have it, Mod Rod, brand new casting for 2019 in the Factory Fresh series. Now, it's a little bit unusual that we see a fantasy casting in the Factory Fresh series, but I think this one is not too bad at all. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.